Hi, and welcome back to Movin' and Groovin'. I'm Sam, and I demonstrate vehicles and gear under 10 minutes. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to clean your boat's carpet. I have a damp microfiber cloth and a lint roller. For this demonstration, I'm just going to pull my rag towards me. And on the side of the boat, I'm going to pull down. And whatever the debris might be, it'll fall onto this gray carpet. Move the rag towards myself, freeing up that debris. Now I'm going to use my clean lint roller and pick up the loose debris. And now, I have been working on my boat for about 20 minutes, and the interior looks very clean. Please let me know in the comments section below if this video helped. I'll see you on the next video.